This semester, we set out to create a Geo Location Tag. It is a power-efficient GPS location tracking device that uses GSM communication to transmit the location data to an external server. A phone application then displays location data from the server to the user. The GPS data is transmitted at specific time intervals unless the holder of the tag initiates an asynchronous wake-up and transmission by pressing the button on the physical tag. In between each transmission, the device enters a low power state, shutting off all power to the GPS and GSM communication modules as well as other various components. After the specific time interval, the device wakes up and begins the process of receiving GPS data and then transmitting that data over GSM to the server. The geolocation tag was designed with the intent to be used by parents concerned with the location of their young children traveling to and from school or extracurricular activities. It can also be used by anyone who's concerned with the safety of another person or object. Let us now continue to follow our friend Nick as he traverses across campus, tracking his location as we go.